Good morning, children. Welcome to social class. So, in social, we are learning the 14th block, which is parallels and meridians, isn't it, children? And we have learned that parallels are nothing but the latitudes, which are the imaginary horizontal lines on the earth, which are running from east to west. Yes, and meridians are nothing but the longitudes, which are imaginary vertical lines running from north to south. Yes, and also we have learned important latitudes and important longitudes, isn't it, children? So in the third topic we are going to learn about longitude and time. So longitude is nothing but the imaginary vertical line which is running from north to south. Yes, based on that we get to know the time. How? So if you see, children, the earth take 24 hours to complete one rotation, isn't it, children? That means it takes 24 hours to complete one day and one night, isn't it, children? Yes, and if you calculate in that way, we have, that means the earth takes 24 hours to rotate 360 degrees. From one point, again it has to rotate all over again and come back to that place. It takes 360 degrees. And for to rotate that 360 degrees, earth takes 24 hours, by which we can say that in 4 minutes the degree changes. Okay, the earth covers distance of 1 degree, from 1 degree to another degree, from 67 to 68. It takes about 4 minutes. Imagine how slowly the earth is rotating, by which we don't understand, because it is rotating very slowly. Okay, so based on that we have different times. Okay, based on the sun rays, on which longitudes it's falling, the time depends on that. Okay, if we have to understand more properly, we have like different times. First one is Greenwich Mean Time. So you all know prime meridian, isn't it, children? That is 0 degrees longitude. Okay, so that is the longitude. If we consider that longitude and calculate the time of different places, then that is called Greenwich Mean Time. Okay, the time at the prime meridian is used as base to calculate the time of different places, different countries, then that is called Greenwich Mean Time. Okay, next you have standard time. So see, we have complete world, and in that you have continents, and in that you have countries also. Okay, so according to the longitude which passes through that country, and you take that time, that is called standard time. Okay, a standard time always follows in each country, so each country standard time is different. Okay, they follow the time by the longitude which is passing through the center of their country. Okay, a country generally follows the local time of the longitude that passes through its center. So this is called standard time, and standard time is same within the country. Okay, and every country will be having different standard times. Okay, if you see Indian standard time, so Indian standard time is 82 and a half degrees east. So we follow the time according to the longitude of 82 and a half degrees east. Okay, so for our country it is 82 and a half degrees. And if you compare with the Greenwich time, okay, based on Greenwich time, we are ahead of 5 hours and 30 minutes. 5.5 hours, we are early. That means if at Greenwich time it is 5:30, that means we have the time of 12 o'clock. Okay, in that way, ahead. Okay, children, and this line 82.5 degrees east is known as Indian Standard Meridian. Okay, and also we have local time. Local time is nothing but the local place. According, it is not about continent, it is not about the country, it is the place we have. Okay, according to the sun rays, according to the sun rays, the midday is calculated or 12 noon is calculated. So according to that, it is local time. Okay, children. And this local time varies from place to place. Okay, from Mumbai to Hyderabad also the time changes, but the time changing is very less. Okay, very less, but it changes. So that is your local time. Within the country also, within a state also, it might change sometimes. So local time is nothing but it is the time calculated by the midday, that is, which is for the sun rays falling directly onto that place. This 12 noon. Okay, children. So this is about the longitude and the time. How we get time based on the longitude. Okay, children. So this is our topic for today, children. I have given few keywords in your daily schedule. Please learn them and write it in your classwork. Coming to your question answers. What is the international date line? So international date line is nothing but the it is an imaginary line that is following the 180 degrees line of longitude. Okay, opposite of prime meridian. That is international date line. Okay, next, what is Greenwich Mean Time? So this is the prime meridian time. Okay, so if the time is calculated based on the prime meridian longitude, then it is a Greenwich time. Okay, so write these two answers in your classwork and please learn it, children. Let's see the next question. What is the difference between local time and standard time? Here you can understand what is the difference between local time and that. Local time is a time calculated based on the noon time, 12 o'clock. Okay, and standard time is the time calculated according to the longitude which passes through the center of the country. Okay, which passes through its center, through the center of the country. That is the standard time and this is the local time. Okay, and local time of each place varies, but the standard time within a country is same. Compared to other countries it will be different, but within the country the standard time is same. Okay, so write this answer in your classwork and please learn it, children. Coming to your homework, complete the volume book 2, page number 30, S3, local time and standard time. Okay, so in the next class we will learn the next topic, children. See you in the next class. Bye.